from my dealings with legal firms over the years, which have generally been fine, I've always thought it's a very old traditional model. Like, it hasn't really moved at all with the times, where technology seems to be disrupting every other sector in the world. You've come along and disrupted with fixed fee, but how do you see the future of the legal world going forward, and how would you see maybe technology disrupting it, or people like yourself, a disruptor, disrupting the actual industry itself? Because it's a big money industry, right? Sure. Nobody wants it to change because it makes so much money. Like, come on, you know.
Lawyers are bad at change, stick in the muds, very much so, because the billable hour is very profitable. There's no getting away from that. But it's become evident that there's no value in it either, or no value for money. So there is a move towards a more technology-based industry with AI, and there are companies which produce and try and produce commoditized documentation, especially basic contracts, whether it's an employment contract, a shareholder agreement, a will, or if there's an employment agreement that a startup company wants to use, they want to make sure it's bespoke for their industry, for the type of employees. Are they going to be working from home? Are they going to be consultants, not employees? All these different things where buying that off the shelf, if you like, or offer some software distributed by a software company or associated with a law firm, that's hard to do.
Yeah.
Because a lot of what lawyers do is give bespoke advice on a certain situation. Now, AI is coming into it, and it will become more prevalent. It's the bespoke element of it. So it may well be that especially companies will start buying more packages for their basic documentation, but they will still need advice on the bespoke element of it. And I have been involved over the last couple of years with providing some material for those companies, and again, varying degrees of success, because also there are issues over liability insurance, all the boring legal stuff to do with providing advice. Are you providing advice when you're giving a template to someone? To be arguable. So you have to make sure the terms, conditions of those types of companies distributing that software, they've got to get it absolutely right. Otherwise the liabilities can be too high. So there's no doubt that technology is going to play a larger part, and that a lot of basic legal services can be commoditized and will be commoditized. It's just making them bespoke. That's going to be the issue.